Welcome into Taylor Kitchen. I have a fabulous dish for you today. I absolutely love carrots. I hope you love carrots too. You're gonna love them this way because this is a molasses whiskey butter roasted carrot. It's so absolutely delicious. And basically I'm taking about this size of a carrot and I'm cutting them in quarters lengthwise. I want to make sure I get thinner pieces to roast and get very, very sticky and caramelized with the molasses butter. And actually the little tips of these are going to be like little pops of candy. They're going to be that good. Now you can cut carrots however you want, or you can buy baby carrots if you want. I think it just looks really pretty this way if you were going to make this as a Christmas side dish or whatever. It looks really pretty when they're long. You can use any kind of carrot. These are organic carrots, so I did not peel them. I just washed them very, very well. But so when they're organic, you don't have to peel them. The skin is very nutritious, totally edible. And I'm putting them all on a sheet pan like so. Okay, then this is molasses and butter that I melted in the microwave. I actually made molasses butter, softened butter with molasses for spreading over warm sourdough bread at our Thanksgiving feast. And this was what was left. And so I just melted it together in the microwave. If you've never had molasses, this is so delicious. It is the byproduct of sugar production, and it's very deep and minerally, kind of irony tasting, has such a not overly cloyingly sweet like a lot of, like a honey or a maple syrup might be, but it has this intenseness of flavor that is so delicious. And I want to that, add 2 tablespoons of this beautiful 5-grain bourbon whiskey that I got from 620 Distillery in Greenville, South Carolina. Now you can add any spirits you want, a bourbon, a whiskey. You can leave it out entirely. Then all this just gets poured over my carrots, and I have lined my baking sheet with parchment paper. I do that all the time just because ease of cleanup and keeps things from sticking. And as these roast, I'm going to get in here and toss them once or twice just to make sure everything is really nicely coated. A little bit of pepper, and then I have smoked salt. You can use regular salt if you want to. Smoked salt is readily available in the stores now, and it's just going to lend to that deep flavor that we're going to get with the molasses. Now, if you're not a fan of molasses, you can use maple syrup, you can use honey, anything sticky and sweet will work, but I'm just telling you, this is so good. And then I'm gonna put this in my 400 oven, and I'm gonna let it roast until these carrots are tender and sticky. It will depend on the size that you cut your carrots into, how long you need to roast it. So, let's get these started. Don't those look good? If you haven't yet, please take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications to our YouTube channel. Click that bell icon below to make sure you get all the latest from us. And also sign up at tkfoodie.com. Leave us your email and we will send you regular notifications. You don't want to miss a thing on tkfoodie.com. Look at those. Oh my goodness. They are a little charry, a little caramelized, and they smell absolutely fabulous. So I'm just gonna plate a few, kind of slather them one more time in this beautiful molasses butter, and put a few on my plate here, just to give them a bit of a taste. Yum, yum. And I think they need a little adornment of parsley. Can't wait to try these. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's try. Those are so delicious. You get a little bit of that bourbon taste that kind of just melted into the butter and the molasses and the carrots. And you gotta try the little tip of the carrot. Oh my goodness. It's like a little piece of candy. It is so absolutely delicious. So this super easy side, you're gonna love it. Your family's gonna love it. You gotta check out the recipe. It's on tkfoodie.com. This is really good, guys.